It's raining. I went to town today, did some work, came back home, got me some pizza. No, it is not 61 degrees in here. That is just the lowest setting on that air conditioner. It's actually 75 in here, and I've only been running it for a few minutes, but why not? I can. The old van's still a mess, and it's going to remain that way until whatever, whenever. It don't matter to me. Hey everybody, it's me again. Just chilling. My dog's in the other van over there. Just chilling. Actually, I could probably go ahead and cut that off because it's actually not that hot. I mean, it's like 68 degrees outside and 75 in here, so I just turned it on because I could. And I'll be honest with you, they're Rich Solar products. I really love them. No, I'm not sponsored or anything, but I've had one of their 200 watt panels on this fan for over a year and recently added another one. I'm thinking about adding two more just so I can have 800 watts worth of solar on this fan. I know I picked up all these new products for the big van, but as I stated before, I'm going out of town for a month, and this one's the one that's road legal and roadworthy, so why not put everything on here? When I get back, I can just get more stuff to put on the other one. I don't know. First, I got to build a rack that'll hold all four panels, because right now I've just got, I think I used the framework from an old camper shell off of my first vehicular living situation, we'll call it. I put a camper shell on an S10 pickup and put solar panels on it, and that's what started my nomadic lifestyle. And ever since then, I've had my solar panels on the framework from that camper shell, and it's time to step it up. So I think I'm going to go with some of those L brackets, like the kind you see on the garage door setups or something. I think something like that would be perfect. Get me a couple, 4, maybe 6 10-foot sticks of it, and make me a big old rectangle that I can screw to the roof rack with U-bolts or something that'll hold all 4 panels, and then I can wire my panels in a 2S2P setup, 2 in series, 2 in parallel, because the Rich Solar 40 amp charge controller will still handle that, because it'll only be putting out about 25 amps altogether anyway. So it is possible to put 800 watts worth of solar on the roof of this van, which I am actually quite excited about. But anyway, yeah, I'm bored. If it wasn't raining, I'd pull all this stuff out and try to do a little more wiring. My DC to DC charger remote wire came disconnected, so it wasn't running all day, and I did a lot of driving. My batteries could be at 100% by now, but oh well. I got to get under the counter and reconnect it and secure it better, obviously. But other than that, everything else is still going pretty good under there. My batteries are right at 75%. And I'm not even drawing any power right now because I don't even have the lights on. The TV's still in the other van. Oh no, maybe I'll put it in here. Go ahead and put it back in here and connect it back up. But I don't even have to put that to the big inverter because I had a little 175 watt inverter that was just for the TV. This right here, I picked that up at a parts store in Texas that I worked at for a little while, and it runs the TV just perfectly. And I do still have a dual 12 volt socket under the counter on the wall back there. I believe it's between the fuse panel and the DC to DC charger. I just had to take it out to make room for the big inverter because I put it over the wheel well on the wall. And I'm probably just going to put this one back under the counter somewhere and run the TV to that. That way I don't even have to turn on the big one to watch TV or something. Just different options. I mean, after a few years of living in vans like this, you kind of accumulate all kinds of little gadgets and such along the way. I mean, I'm even thinking about putting the fans back up because now that the air conditioner is operational without plugging up, I need air circulation to get that cool air up front here. I don't know. I could ramble all night long about this stuff. I'm sure some of you are thinking, okay, get on with it. I don't know. But, as I've said before, leave me some comments. Tell me what kind of videos you'd like to see. If you'd like to hear more about these electrical systems, or if you'd like to see more. I don't really video myself assembling things because I say so many words that don't need to be recorded when I'm working. So that's why I just do my update videos. Hey, look, here's what I did kind of thing. But if somebody wants to see more of the process, I just have trouble stopping what I'm doing to grab the phone, to record more, to say, here's the next step. I don't know. I don't know. I'm more of a once I get started, I just keep going till it's done kind of person. I don't know. Anyway, I just thought I'd hit record and ramble for a little bit. I hope everybody's doing alright. I hope everybody's having a good evening. And until next time, happy trails.